The Philippine Red Cross Mass Casualty Incident Field Guide was brought about by the signed multilateral agreement between the Philippine Red Cross, American Red Cross, and the Magen-David Adom. Their support puts emphasis on the realization of the standardization of response before, during, and after the mass casualty incident. Mass Casualty Incident Core is to do the greatest good for the greatest number of affected people. The Philippines is not alien to mass casualty incident. From 20+ storms that frequent our country, landslide, flood, fire, earthquakes, and some man-made disaster make the Philippines as one of the most disaster-prone country in the world. This MCI field guide will stand as mitigating field guide that will prepare the different chapters of the Philippine Red Cross. The numerous, frequent, and varied hazards which the chapter are exposed made the Philippine Red Cross Safety Services realize that this protocol will assist in the planning, response, and mitigation of the suffering and its deleterious effect. This MCI protocol will be affected by asking the chapters the following question. 1. What are the capabilities of the chapter? 2. What are the capabilities of other stakeholders within the area? 3. What are the specialized organization and tools do these stakeholders have? 4. What are the capabilities of the medical facility within the area? 5. What are the resources available for field treatment? 6. What is the status of the relationship between PRC and the local government unit and other stakeholders? The PRC MCI Field Guide centers on the role of the different PRC services in the response to elevate the condition of the people affected by certain incidents. The field guide gives emphasis to 1. The incident command system utilized by the government and the role of the PRC in its structure. 2. PRC transition and workflow as a separate entity in the ICS. 3. The importance of the Operations Center in an MCI operation. 4. The prudent use of PRC personnel and assets in the response to mass casualty incident. 5. The systematic approach in fulfilling the role given during an MCI operation. 6. The methodological identification, treatment, and transport of patient from the scene to appropriate medical facility. 7. The proper management of patient data and information during an MCI. 8. Importance of proper planning and coordination between the government agency and other stakeholders. At the end of the day, the priority of the PRC MCI protocol is to attain the highest possible survivability of the affected person by making the best use of PRC personnel, equipment, and resources.